Riang subhai pi shkan tu kubor jingi penyor cable news. Hashwa bangin kemi iki kubor ki babnya ana gajan mien in phashwa shkimat bakongsan joko kubor mentak tayo. Rai kinong alam kathan chtelam mingi banthau ya one north east. Ya ke dorbar senrai ke senam arhajar arpun rio un sepenlong no abiang dorbar tauan ke batamai. Kejing keno badan kejing isyrut apok keseng NPP kedai tang ke kubor lamler ong ubak presiden tensong. Syakam Presiden ke MCTODA bat kiwaya kejing kerja bagi kulit amorun keneng. Penki wen kapla ba eno ki brio honong po hap hiar ka kenhuan bomb squad ban pet ngor bat lap dagi jan. Kut no ka shat nong krem kejing ipu ipiang. Bat la thang yo pa Freeman Sings ka hima sora kadon biang kejing laniam thang hadien khandai snam. Ki nong yalam seng san perthai ni kijela ka than chtelam ingi hagasi baar jong tayo kle kendo lang haganong ba Delhi bat kilapan bana banthawe ka wekrensa ne trelang jong ki seng reulom hapo kalama jong ka one north east ya kani ke jing thau lang ya ka rensan bane trelang ki seng reulom hapo kalama jong ka one north east lapan bana kanong ba Delhi do menteri rang ba kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma bolong ru national president ke seng NPP ha ka jing lang Pradyo Bikram Manikya unong seng ka Tipra Motha Party Kikon unong aikitin berem ke BJP bu Menteri Sarkar ke Nagaland badu Daniel Langthasa ubelong unong seng jong ka People's Party Assam katkum ka kubor ke belayo la pentip bakane ke jing tumu ka de banwan ra alang iki seng reulo maka we rensan ban penmi bat ban pensawajam iki sur halor kimat baper jong ka than chte lam mi katkum ke jing angnot jong ki pat ba ka de ka than kini kinong yalam kila penpau bala slam bha kinong yalam kan jok menta jong kathan chtilam mini kila kran ki jok kimat baga jing sokhya chugi pat ba ni krensan baper bat kumta ka borhi kan chong e ga jing tli bat ka por kla dai ban aish ki pat ba e ka wi ka sor ka ban kan thop e baro alang kila shimru e karai ban thau kar ki no e ka wi ka committee ban ni chong prakhat lang halor ki kam ke ban le nang ni shakmat bat ban pnuan dor e gor kom long jong ni ka seng san perthai ka bla terwa ban thau khnang bagi pat ba kathan chtilam mini kidai hok ban yo e ka jing sha skor ka jing buram ba ka jing mi khmat leng ba ka sur san perthai ka baklan ka betli hagari kila penpau ba ka committee ba kan sa IT ka kai phot apo sau san singi banwan alor kani kila penpau ru ba ka jingwan lang jongki kam dei bane khon persya ikimei pat kiseng san perthai mereka pelak jing mod ha khmat e na ka benta ki pat ba ka than chtelam mini kila ong ba ka jing thau ka rensan one north east kada ke senjam ka kong san man sei kinong yalam na kathan bat banwan ra ek sur ka baklan ha ka san hima sima na ka benta ki pratlik jela jong ka than chtelam mi
we the leaders from different states of the northeast have come together today to make a collective and a historic announcement, which is the coming together of various voices of our region to form a united, singular political entity that truly represents the aspirations of our people. For too long, we, the younger generation leaders in Northeast, have spoken about the same issues and concerns of our people, but from different platforms and political spaces. We have realized that our strength lies in unity and that it is time to give our people one collective voice. Taking inspiration from the vision and legacy of great leaders who fought selflessly for the identity and development of our land, we have resolved to carry forward their ideals by coming together under a shared vision for the future of the Northeast. Today's announcement marks the first step towards building this common platform. To take this initiative forward, we have decided to constitute a committee that will deliberate on the future course of action, including the modalities and structure of the proposed political entity. Our united effort is guided by a simple conviction that the people of the Northeast deserve to be heard, respected, and represented through a strong, unified, and indigenous political voice at the national level.
इसी के लिए we have all come together and we are starting a process. बहुत लोगों को लगता था ये होगा नहीं, लेकिन आज शुरुआत हो चुका है और हम चाहते हैं कि हमारे रीजन का जो एस्पिरेशन है, we are all one here. I don't think many of the media people here, and you are all renowned media people, many a time you yourself have come and told us that you couldn't differentiate between one Northeasterner to another Northeasterner. We are all one here. We all have similar problems. We all have similar challenges. And I think that if we have to speak for a region, then we should all share our personal ambitions and egos and come together for the sake of our people, our communities, and speak as one singular political entity. As per the ECI rule, secular is a part of the constitutional India. And we will always speak for those people whose constitutional rights, whether it is regardless of any religion, regardless of any ethnicity, if we feel that the rights, the constitutional rights of the people are being violated, we will stand up for that. And that's why we have taken a conscious decision of this committee, which will form the principles of what this entity will be based upon.
We're not here to fight with anyone. We're not here to try to say that here we're going to contest against anybody. We are all only saying is that the platform or the entity that we're trying to create is something that the Northeast today needs. That is all that is driving us today. We take up different issues, and sometimes we find ourselves alone in taking up those issues. And we realize that those issues actually sometimes cut across the borders. But because we are different political entities, we are not able to take this. Let me make it very clear, what is driving our decision is the interest of our people and the interest of our future. That is what the primary. And in that process, we will take things forward, we will work. We are working today with the central government. We move forward and we will see. We are not here to to fight anybody or to contest or something. I mean, obviously as a political party, we will contest our elections. But as I said, our primary focus is on the people of the Northeast, and the idea is to give a singular platform where people of the Northeast and different political parties can come together and be of one voice for the people of the Northeast.
Lampang ke yang dorbar tauan ke jelau Thomas Sangma ha ke singi balang jong tayo ulalo me ke jingelang ban kami ya ke jinglong jingman halo ke jingte ke yang dorbar tauan ke bathamai ke jela bad ula pentep baya ke project on pendap ha ubnai jelio jong ke snam arajar arpun rio ha ke jingelang ke belalum dau lampang ke yang dorbar tauan ke jela lawan benishim benta dau sumbut menteri rang ba ke jelau ba presiden tensong ba kami ru ketanat parliamentary affairs Commissioner but Secretary Katanat Parliamentary Affairs uba Cyril V. Dingdo, Commissioner but Secretary Jongam Meghalaya Legislative Assembly uba Andrew Simons but kiwi-kiwi gihe officer. Ulampang ula pentip bala bo por ban pendap igene ke jingtei ha ubanai jeliau ke senam arhajar arpun riau ndrai ha kebaneng konghi la bo thong ban pendap no hu leber arhajar arpusan. Ndrai ginong snai ke bedeban snai ke bentai ke basyapo jok yang dorbar ke lapan por ban penjelan sahendro benai ban pendap ke jing snai ke bakentup ya ke main hall ke reception bat ke lobby bat andonru iki kor kibor ke bathamai bat ke bapaka bat ke jing penslam ban pendap ke project kanum ke tak setia ke bedai bat ke pisah ke badai ban penlut Thomas Sangma ulong baban penti kena bagi kam kiniat bet kumta onlum ke jingalang manla ubenai ban ulapan pau ke jingkmi lenti baya ke dorbar senrai ke banwan an sepenlong no hagi yang dorbar tauan ke batamai ke senam arhajar arpun rio. Nalor kania ulapan pauru ya ke jing ngohon hak bayde ke komisionat mai biang ya ke dom bad ikani ke jing penwandor ke batamai ke de ke balale ban pedunai ke jing kia jung ketunuam bad kadai ke balakmi benia daka IIT Guwahati bad IIT Roorkee.
And we have also asked the newly appointed vendors to do the interiors of the main assembly hall. This meeting was very productive, fruitful, I would say, but there are also some things that we had to review, and timeline has now gone back because of certain circumstances. Due to some unavoidable circumstances, we had to go back. I think we were targeting for March for the completion of this project, but we have to agree to shift because the vendors who are doing the interior work have requested us to give them at least 6 months. So it will be ready by June. The reason being, as I said, there are a lot of components or elements involved in, because we have to consider the audio-visual, the acoustics, and the security systems, and everything has to be incorporated within that interior thing. So we could not rush, because the agency which is looking after these aspects, the consultancy firm which is giving us the consultancy advice as to how to ensure that this security system, the acoustics are to be handled and incorporated. So they took quite some time to come out with the ultimate solution, because of which we had to, I think, go beyond the estimated timeline. So now the new timeline is somewhere around May, and by they have decided to extend that. We have decided to extend the time till May 2026, but to be on the safe side, we have decided that it should be June, where our next, maybe the next assembly, the autumn session assembly, can also be done. The delay is not because of the financial, I mean, there is no financial implication in that delay. Delay is because of the, number one, we could not, because the interiors could not be started because the dome part now, which is was not fully covered, and rains also was continuing till very late, and some portions of there were leakages in a sense, because they were not fully covered through the windows, through some like some there were ducts, so leakages were happening from there. So we had to completely close that, and because and also we had to wait for the detailed plan for those security system. The conduits has to be laid on the floors of the main hall. All those cables, audio-visual cables, the security, CCTV camera cables, and so on and so forth, and the acoustics also. So we had to wait. The floor cannot be sealed. The flooring cannot be sealed until all those cables are properly laid in place. I'm actually satisfied, because the previous design was carrying too much, load, because of which it has collapsed. Because of the, maybe I'm not a technical person, but as a layman, I can say that the structure which was designed in such a way that it could not take the load, carry the load. So it has collapsed. But this new design is done in such a way that the weight of the actual roof is distributed all over, and it's become from 3,000 metric tons to it is just merely 300 metric tons. So it is.
Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Presiden Tensong ubalong ru Presiden kaseng NPP Meghalaya. Hakesingi balang jang katayo ulong bakamdan kano gejing shisha bakamdan gejing shrut apo kaseng kejong u bad hapding jong u bad usembut Menteri Rangba uba senyaw balang dhar. Ndrai kene kejing keno kadai kebesulam ler batang banyalam bakla yakipat ba. Habai keren begenong patai kubor usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Presiden Tensong ulong bolas ngokenit bani hagilat patai kubor kibalakam bagaran katama po yeng hapdeng jong bad uba senyaw balang dhar. Bakani kejing keno kamde satya kebasisha bakade tangka kubor lamler anil isi ubriu beto akani udai ubelasya panan kambakla ha kinu kibriu ne kinu kisengsan pertai ke buka mentoy bad ulong batang ublei hiu batip kejing shisha uba Presiden Tensong ulong buradan teng mensyua ha keseng kongres bad mentah ha keseng NPP ndek kejing lap ju hi kalong bag keseng NPP barok dekat gilong kumsi yang sisam bag pen bedru ikono kakam da kejing ekran bag kejing sungutu jingmut kumsi yang sisam
na isam ke kejing mit ketuka news pada orang ba Presiden ba semua bahan langhat kidon ka jingat hajimut kaba imat kan kata ya kata stability kan kata ya kan ika jingga jungka parti bat kunju kasurka berkoi dengan kuah bat percaya ini ba kini daitan kimia iba pen suruh maklah bat ki nong penni ia kibakum kini kijai news kan terakhir kan bahasibun bakin dah pikir batin ka wat ditip biang babiang ke bapanya kedang bahkan like confusion hapden jong kipat bak jong ka jelak hapden kipat bak jong ka rikasi lani kipat bak na jantia namar komo hikum gitu janji penmi long ke kiba imso tenan bat nga komo state president lu ngayat la kakam ngitre la kakam ngitre lang register jumut nadu national president nadu UCN nadu baso bao deputy CN nadu ki minister bat kunju ru ki party functionaries to me nadu ka state level ka district level ka block level bat hadu ki mid level ni don ka ngitre ka suruh jumut ka lok ka wei hapo ka party ka jumi dengan ada masuk pan percaya nama Rio don gejing ya suatu berkelah menyantai dengan pak panakalian jok hirup mungkin media berpin sobahan percaya lem ni kenang bahkan don kan menuka jingya snow after teen hakor kom trekam trejam juni bangga kwa banyak tu IP baka parti NPP kadai ke parti ke bak compare nak di parti borok ngalah don arti parti ke ke kongres kat mentak kadai ke NPP ka compare susu nak iway pat ki national party dan ki regional party ru kajingnya per kolong bangi sistem balaya don hapo ka party ia sim bagi desi family members ki lok si ndai su ban om para party ringi long bai kum si idon kanono kajing babia suhut timon idon kanono kajing yo snewa ne tan kamot ni kren da kata sai da ka ba sutu batru dah ka mesin berkoi kenang ba komo ingin nak ban petulun ya ka kam jongi nak mentaman syakri bai ba jong ka jelai ba koi kata ka bangat wa ban percaya ka dengan iya ki kanu ke sorka ke baterai ke parti ke baterai ke jisya kano abun yu betia ski lepen nam yo da tengingin main ya kata kin keno komo api keno kan api keno pi om ke high level, pi om ke batu batin, pi om ke ngangak ngamai, tambah upai baku bisa. Ka kejikelah, Kabahadin na do ara jakat pra bagi shifti mangi ban penia je ke sarkar ka e ke jikla ki e ki dak kisin ki baki yo ingat raya kata ngin e ha ke jing pet ban ke jing yo i ki pai ba nong sok long hai chala jme.
I have seen some report and some of the news from which news media I will tell them to apologize, because you see why they should write wrong with anything. Me and Saprestone, we are very, very united. We are one. The questions of dispute, which is next to impossible. Me and Saprestone and Connect Soma, we are one. And yes, I've seen some news right which is there is Cold War. I'm telling you, which is sad to see all this. No Cold War at all between anybody also. We are living as a one big and happy family. But as of now, we have got no plan not to get to anything like this. This is not the time to talk election. Now is the time to talk for diplomats. Okay, when election time comes, that is different question.
Hakabayday bagajing kano kesangsan pertai bahagajing sanchar ke NPP kalakiau bahagajing pang HIV/AIDS bagajing kai drugs. Uba Presiden tensong ulong bagani kajing kano kadetang kajing kano aki kamsan pertai belalaki alat kin kano ru bagajing pang COVID-19 ru kadena kajing sanchar kesang NPP. Ulong ba Hakabayday bu drugs sebagai jengpang HIV/AIDS kari India berakawai ke sengukya bak sarkar kelashim kya menekuni ke kam kai drugs hagadur jeng mission. Badwad ek HIV/AIDS ru anekun hagarukom tray kam mission ya gabaan bu dakapor ban rat dengkong ya gane ke jengpang.
Ngatrai de kapur ka kongres ka ba syabom ke syatir kiseng bahlang ke bom itu itau su. Ti kata ngatrai ni klet. Menta kane ke jingwan kane ke jimpang ngam tip imat kimun ban kuno wat ya ka wat ka COVID-19 umat de na ka kirsicha juga parti NPP mo ikum bakimut ban blim chata renga ong ya pi hakbede badu drugs hakbede bat ke HIV kalau so kompleks isu nomor kane mde ba ong ba ngi produce mangi hamegala kawan nakeleng sodong bat mde tang tangi por India ngilong warit. Kalau kaju tik kumba keren Presiden juga Amerika utrom ubernengem uberten namar mendai bapin mi na Amerika kawan napo kiwe kiri kaba isir kei room di drugs tenak kada mo pi menta mendai tang yo drugs pi keren sepangga HIV ngingi yakun tega menta pangidang song meeting akan mau katu kan ni benai hagabang ya song ka ya ka meeting ka day kumno pengin yakun ya kabat konten yang ani ka HIV namar kan ni ka deka silent killer dia kan ni nglai song meeting bat hadu menta ka department ng bidang work out kumno ban wala syaka kamenet ba ngang ong kumbangila shimba ni treat ya ka ya uniu drugs minis ubajia po ka jela jungi ba hakadur jo commission mood ni kwa ro ba ya ka HIV ngin yakun hakadur jo commission mood ka bangin bu specific kata step ngin yakun tengah ban penduk jai lane ban konten kan bala lada piong iya ka drugs ni lada piong ya ka HIV ni tenara daw pi kan ka jing keno ban ong ba hakapor jong ka NPP government ngi kiwanra ya kata HIV dan kiwanra ya kata ka ya kita ki drugs ngatrai kini berkoi kidai tam ki political allegation kiba ki political party kilat bat kiju im hiro ban le kata
Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejela ubak la kemen remboi ula kular ban cem kia mardor ban penbet igijing bakla kibala kedau dakino hikai haka CM Impact Guidebook katbah haka weka liang pat ula penpa weka jing sokya halor ka jing jengot baga jing keti kawa umngot kabak ta ajor ka kam jung okai pertai bad ikinong shong shnong hakane kathan Menteri Ketenat Pulih Putih Kejela Meghalaya ubak la kemen remboi ula kular ban cem kia mardor ban penbet igijing bakla kibala kedau dakino hikai haka CM Impact Guidebook habakira ni gelar patai kubor haka lai terek unai wiang arajar arpusan ubak la kemen remboi ula pencai baga jing temu jong nega guidebook kam dai tang menerap bakin pas nrei ban ajing tip syok kenang bagi kena kenyo ya kamaks kabakambon ulang bagari ka kamram jong sarkar bagi bor beri kemi ban penbet igijing bakla baro ban ula pentik kenaru baladan gijing bakla ke embos kan sechim kia ban penbet
But having said that, SCM Impact is not the is not the book to help the children to pass. It is the question of the help the children to gain knowledge, and once they can get the knowledge, we will surely impact in the pass percentage of the children. It is not a question of review. Any error which detected, it is responsible of the government, responsible of a publisher, or responsible of the board which prescribed the book to take a corrective measure then and there. So since the information you have you are giving to me just now, I learned from that, I will take a prompt action that whatever error which is there should be corrected, because any knowledge which are impart to the children, it should be true, it should be not false, or there should be no error at all.
So do you say that one should not trust this guidebook of the CM Impact, that students should not rely on this guidebook?
No. The children have all the option. It is not only the CM Impact which are teaching in the school. They teach all the subject, and CM Impact is one of the book, of the help book for the student. But if there is any wrong, if any error, so the department, the MBOs will take necessary step to correct that error.
Uba la kemen romboy udah menteri ketenat puli putih. Ulang bakane ke sarkar kadang penengkong bencim kia ban penpai ki yang skol. Nama kadang kajingnya day bat kajing yok puli ke bapa. Ke sarkar kalamang pisah ki program beper ban penpai ki skol dah ke bamang pisah nak benta commission 1, 2, bat 3. Bat menta sa commission 4. Namar kajing don kumbakat san hajar teli ki elementary school ke sarkar kahap ban le ekane lengba ki benta beper. Kajing temu jo ke sarkar kalong ban peti kena bawarok ki school kendon ki yang school ke babha kabayday bat ki kendon ki babyang bat an le ekine kat kum ki face ke manuan kawai hadian kawai pat.
Of construction of a new building as a whole. So we have planned to take about 150 schools, and not only that, through the ADB program, we have planned to take about not less than 15 schools. So near about 150 schools we will take, and including repair and all, it is about 160, 170 schools, including the fund from the government and also from the ADB. See, the government, this is the first government which recognized that the infrastructure of the school also linked to the quality education of the children. So we have invested in the Mission 1, Mission 2, Mission 3, and now we are going to invest in the Mission 4. Having said that, as you know that in the state of Meghalaya, only elementary school we have near about 15,000 schools. It's not very easy for the government to undertake on its own. Having said that, we are now doing in a phase-wise for the government school, but for the deficit or ad hoc or the academic age school, some we are intervening, some they are doing on their own. But our intention is that to see that all the infrastructure which used to teach the children should be proper, should meet all the criteria which is needed for the true development of the children. As I said, the government have already invested in the Mission 1, 2, 3. Not only that, repair of school in thousands of schools they have already embarked by the government, and it is a continuous process. We will see that how to develop and how to take care of this school. Having said that, as I said, that it is not a question of 100 school or 1,000 school. It is a question of 15,000 school, private, government aided, and deficit. That is not a single matter of joke.
Uba lakmen romboy ubadi menteri sarkar ulapan pawe kajing sokya halor kajing jungot ba kajing keti kawa umngot kabakta jur ka kam jung okai perthai ba dikinong song shnong ulapan syai ba kajing jungot kawan na kajing tray penhe surok syaki benta ki basalor kebedan ha kawa aret ke batu chak umngot Hakabau kontraktor ula berat ke kendo ke betua. Uli tu bu sumut menteri rangba ula dat benbeta ke company ke basnai ke surok bagade bentela ke mardor ya ke jingtuat ke kendo. Ula ongru balada ki bor berikmi kilap badan jingpen kan ki kendon kincim kia benda ke badan kam kat kom ke an.
Deny the fact that Umngot River is famous for its crystal clear water, where the people who are doing boating, the people who are fishing, they really love the Umngot River. But recently, due to the reason unknown to me, but having said that, the water of River Umngot has turned muddy, which is affect the life of the fish or any thing are living there, living bodies in the water. Not only that, it also affects the livelihood of the people, because as I said, there are many tourists all over the world who are longing to go to Umngot. They have made the program 6 months, 5 months, 1 year beforehand. They want to go to Umngot to see how is that crystal clear water, how is that the beauty of that river. But as I said, in the last few weeks, due to the expansion of the road, not near the Umngot, but it seems that just below Umngot, there is one small tributary of Umngot, or so the rivulet, which flows to Umngot. So if you remember correctly, that few weeks back before Puja, or in the midst of Puja, there's a heavy landslide in that area, and it seems that the company or the contractor who is doing the work, that they dump the soil just to clear the road. They dump the soil nearby. So it seems that soil, because it falls into that rivulet or stream, so it carries into the river Umngot. But the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister have already spoken to the company to see that how that this river, this beautiful river, which is an asset of the state, assets in the sense that tourism, Umngot is one of the destinations, Shnongteng is one of the destinations, Dauki is one of the destinations of the tourists, where because of that, the people from Khanapara till Shillong till Umngot, they earn the livelihood, should not affect their livelihood. So the company have responded positively that to see that if there is any corrective measure, it can be done so that the glory of River Umngot, the pristine, clear, crystal clear river, will be there for the benefit of the state, because a muddy River Umngot is a loss for the livelihood of the people. It's not the question of the precautionary measure. It's the question of that it seems, as I said before, that during the weeks leading to the puja or after puja, if you remember correctly, that for many days the stretch after Lailam Court was closed due to the landslide and also the rain. So in that movement, it seems that this company have tried to clear as much as possible. So it seems they took advantage of that and dumped everywhere. So this effect. So because if they don't throw into the stream or rivulet, because now there is no rain, so the water will be clear. And of course, during rainy season, I cannot say that, because during construction, we cannot just stop the running of the rainwater or any stream. But at least during winter, during this time, so the water should be clear. See, before constructing any road, so all the measures have been taken in the DPR. So if there is any violation in the condition of the DPR, so the Pollution Control Board or the authority concerned, they will take necessary action as per provision of the law.
Presiden Meghalaya Commercial Truck Owners and Drivers Association MCTODA ubah Maslandar Marngar. Rengkat berlanjut kidkhot kila syakam bagi pulit akamiat jong sibalang hadin bakalami ka jenghuri hura prengki pulit bagi nong alam kaseng MCTODA ki balakang ye gitrok kit dobilat bat kok banyat hakatan maurung keneng.
Gila senang tak? Boleh ini pelik kau. Pelik. Ah gini pelik kan pelik. Ai pelik kan. Anda juga pelik. Pelik pelik sar, pelik pelik sar. Satu lagi dia okey. Orang nak pelik, orang nak pelik. Tapi kalau di mana sar di mana? Ada mesti yang ini ID mana tanya. Beli mesti yang. Lawan dia apa? What is it?
Presiden Meghalaya Commercial Truck Drivers and Owners Association ubah Maslandar Marngar lembat langut kiwepat kidkhot katau ba hebor pariat ba tebor marngar ba trang bor lengdo kelasya kem hakamit jong santrik unai wiang arajar arpusan laban kedawang ni bak MCTODA kelas sedang ya kejing ki naduk arpnya utrik urisau bandawa na ki karkhana penmido bilat bakin aikit mar tangi kinong nyatrok trajela bal bakin sewa kedor baikit kebakat kum kedor kebalabuk ke sorkar kat kum kejing tip kebalayo ni ki pulit liathu bah kupor kum bakar arso home step ki pulit kelas sendran ni trok ki bakit sorki bat kling ke napuriang bat kya syak hangkut aga kenuhon jok MCTODA ki badan palat ars pangut amorang keneng. Wadadian bu magistrate lo kentu kipat ba ban pentun rek lele persya kum tagi pulit kelap ban penun kam dagilati ban pen prai kipat ba agan ni kejingja we handiman ulah syatan agipat ba baru we pat nong atrok lemon saw na kejing syasyo ki pulit klio kem ye kini ki sawut nong alam ban register ya gilaitli ke muka duma ha kathanat maurun keneng bagi ni sawut ken syara syakayeng syari.
Why did you allow? Whose authority you're having? You check first the challan. Check first the challan. Please check first the challan. Check first the challan. Hey. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. This is not allowed. Kita nak serti baik. Hilaring film mana? Kumdan tak kau mau. Kumdan tak kau mau. Hey. How that? What that? What's your? Look. Hey. Oi. Okay, ngari dia Islam. Baik tu, pemor tu mawan sana macam ni. Kami ni mawan sana. Nandu baru kisah ila isong eh. Dan mau kecing le dan bor le.
Ubah Presiden Tensong ubah kemiru ya ketenat korbari ke jelau le tho basangut ke dekat ke MCTODA kila cakam hagi pulet hadian bagalami ke jengkul mar halat morung keneng haga santareg unai wiang. Ulang bagi sarkar kal IT kena kam syaki bor district bat ki pulet bagian le ke badan kam katkum ki kenon an. Bagi noi ki ke bakhang ki trok ke degi bapersya ya ke jeng bamla joki karkana do bilat ban pentre kam ya ke dor ket mar wala buat ke sarkar. Ubah Presiden Tensong ulang bagi bor penyat district ke East Janja Hills kila penlong ya ke jengalang bat ki karkana do bilat. Haga bagi menjur ban buat ke dor bobot ke sarkar jela tang hapo uput usaham ke jela. Pat kim la setiapat ban bodor ya ke baik ket mar sabar uput jong ke jela. Ula kentui gino yaki bagian wan cek jeng ekran bagi bor penyat distrik haka cakaban pentut ya ke jengat ki kali haka surok ba National Highway.
Kebangadon ni ban ong kalong takoi ba barok kung mga ong pi inosok sno rejela medla joni lada pi ong kiriu simet lada pi ong kabor snong kabor tau lada pi ong kiseng balang lada pi ong kiseng kino kinuru udon ulai nubahe uba ngihap ban burom yuta bat kata kalai ngabahe pelong ke boundary pi kini kibaya mut panyakan ya ka yaki jing ka movement jo gitrong lan ni joki commercial vehicle ke isu jong ki kalong takoi berkata kalong baki persya ba kita ki cement company kim pentrekam ya ka government rate lan ya ka dor ka balah dep notify la baga government deh ka bai dei bat kata ke syong satai syapo jandels haka baki persamban demonstrate persamban kan de ka meeting nakaliang jong ka district association jong East Jati Hills kila khot meeting asin maise bad haka bakadu kila communicate ba yes nakaliang jong ka ki companies cement company so kila menjur ba ya kador baik kali kitu kibakit cement lani kibakit ikidong kitiar kita nang tay na kajaka joki kabangot iya katkum kador jong kasti comment kabangla notify dehlay kata kalong betik tang hapo kajela ngimla ban notify pa day kador bede syasa namar ngim non hop mangiban le kata den re kini kidang peste ni kata namar na ban day ban notify dak len street comment kum nogin la ban notify kata nama kini kadai betik tang hapo kan jurisdiction jongi ya kabadai siapa dengan orang pi nama kini kadai central dia kan apply pada central haka balik si Assam kan no West Bengal kan no kamu pun dah kata kalanti ya de nak kata kada kim hun ki beteng si beteng ji ki de kumtu kajia men step lah ban ong kat arsi teng la ni si beji haka baki kulit keman si haman simnya kedua steps ban control ban ru ban om bas ngobha lada pikwa e gejing kren dei da kelenti ngobha da pikwa ya da kelenti pikwa ban kendu e disposition pikwa ban kendu e government ya da kelenti ban dei ten le ba pinsu om ba pinya khang ba pinya benthut ban penwit kham tam hakana salawi na trai tampa pi ya ka ya bisa kan na trai namuna ka sangut tamaladam don kam nginak kem suhu kasyong katkum kaji nama dia kening IT haka distribution bat haki pulit bakin le ke betul kam te ya kene ban ong ya ke ban ya kene ban ong haka kendon ayu ya kata rung lah ban ong ya menta nama kiba bon ki provision kiba habang iket lade haka ba habang ira ya kitu ki briu kiba ya persya ka ai kidon ki provision kiba per katkum ka ai jong ka rin dia apa
Nang yang sa ban ngi ne bentar ki bai pat ki kubor yen sawan pai hadin kini ke jing pen bena.
Come on Barbie, let's go party. Coming from Bounty Land.
Jones, going back to Jones. The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Nau PCN yang negajan mit ngina pai biang segi benta jong ko kubor. Ki pajba nong sang snong ka nong po hakala asing ublay jong katayo ki lahir serngyo haba ko baiga pla ladan beeno hajan ka State Bank of India ka badan hanong po. Kabala penlong ru iki pulit jong ka bomb squad ban kemi ibnia ek nega pla halo gejing suba bala ban bo yu bom. Hendrai la syampat hadien baladan dekijan.
Ibang yu pajba le apa disperse.
Ki pajba nong sang snong ka nong po klada prekejing sier kumbakat tu kene kenta. Hadian balalap ego mega pla bela eno digi breo bam la ben itu hadu bela penong pat igi bor pulet ke distrik Ribhoi Kamtam na kathanat nongpo ban bentip sigi bor pulet bomb squad ban let ban khmi bnya ban penlong ke jing khandrai ke pla da ke jing tieng yo don babo da ubam ha ke pla kat kum ke jing tip ke beliau lom le tho bagi pulet ke liu kubor halo ke jing don jo ke pla bela eno digi breo Harut ke Surokba National Highway Bandrio persya ke SBI haki por ngobasan baje ye janmir. Kebala penlong gi bor pulet ban khmi bhai ke pla ndai namar gejing bam tip tikana ayu dan ke pla. Kumta ki pulet ka thanat nongpo ke pentip marmar syaki pulet ka bomb squad ke bala hiar kerke na shilong ban let khmi ke pla nongpo. Deto ru bahadin arkenta ye hadin gejing poi jong gi bor pulet ka bomb squad bala pun smashwa da ukso bala ajing kai bha ok 9 balas sedang ban jurep ke pla bad hadin ke jing pet benia bha la play ke pla bad lalap ban dik jan ki bla thep bad eno di brio ki bam la ban itho negaliang ki pulet kidang wat pat utrai jong ke pla la ban kedo ba ke jing sier ki pat ba kalawan jaru hadin badang sian na ke jing lap ke pla ke blobo di brio bam la ban itho hajan ke rural bank hajan ke yeng UMLA barem ke badan ha umsning ha ke balalap ru yo bom IED bakya 100 kilo tam kumta de namar kane ke jinglap itu bom ka keleng ki pulet ru kilashim kya bha ban khmi ibni ashwai kane ka pla ka balalap anong po Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding ke Jela Meghalaya uba met ba lengdo ule pensyai ba ke jing penlip ke boarding kamde setia ka load shedding Regedai namar ke jing maramot bat ke jing pentrei yakilan ki bathamai bat nyale ban pentikna bakan amdan ke jing pelip boarding wat hak ayam telang Kum unang elam jong keseng United Democratic Party UDP uliatho ba kilapan kare na gabanta ki election sa Garo Hills Autonomous District Council balathaw ka kenhuan ban bishar yaki kertong ke banekon na keseng yaki election MDC Menteri Ketenat Boarding ke Sarkar Meghalaya uba met ba lengdo ula pensyai lor kimat ki bakongsan jong Ketenat Boarding da kebakedo ya ka PM Kusum scheme bagi Sarkar Meghalaya ka kerjaan ni nong rep da kebaai sau pusana ke sispa ka subsidi na ke Sarkar Jela man pendunai ke jenglot jong kinong yo jeng mentoy sya ka san na ke sispa da kebakedo baga tenat gedang yai beteng benele ban pendat arhajar telitam ki solopom ke bathamai ha ka bayadai bad ka PM Surya Ghar ane ka solar rooftop ulapan pau ya ke jeng e halor ke jeng bodor ke beduna da ke Sarkar Pedeng namar ke jenglong ka jaka luam ka jenglot shisha ban pendat 1 kilowatt kala ban kot hado prapo hajar tengka lani prapusan hajar tengka kat bak Sarkar Pedeng ke buok ke dor ke beduna bha ulong shosho bakani ke pendret ke jeng wanca kemat jeng ki pat ba ha ke baydai pat ba jeng penlip boarding ba met ba lengdo le pensyai ba jeng lip boarding bam shim le pentip kam dai ke belat mulupa kajana mar ka jeng pen bhai ke jeng sneo ka jeng pen trailan thamai ani ke jeng penan kam ya ki substation ke bathamai Adadun ke jeng temu ke jeng pentip lengba kirang ba shnong lani ke sordar Bat ulah kular mencim kia ban penuna bat un persang ban pentikna bagan omdon ka jinglip boarding bat haka ayom telang. Haga baydai pat bat ka solar power project. Katanat kadang sedang menekran halor kamat ban penurlong ya ka solar power project haga jela barok kowe.
Meeting in Guwahati where the Honorable Minister, Union Minister was also present, and where it was discussed at length with regards to the implementation of the solar schemes, which was one is the PM Surya Ghar Yojana and the other one is the PM Kusum. And well, in the PM Kusum schemes, they have Government of India has structured 50% of the subsidy on the installation of these solar pumps, which is given by the central government. And 30% is given by state government, and the other 20% is to be borne by the beneficiary. And but here in Meghalaya, we are providing around 45% subsidy to the scheme, where at the end of the day, the beneficiary ended up by paying just 5% only. So we are already in the process of installing about 2,000 plus additional solar pumps. And we have also the constraint here as far as the solar rooftop installation also. And in fact, this is one of the issues which I have raised before the Union Minister, is with regards to the benchmark for the cost for every 1 kilowatt. They have given a benchmark of about 55%, cost of the installation of each solar rooftop. But whereas the cost here, the actual implementation cost of this is around 80 to 85,000 rupees per kilowatt. The reason is because in the plain, well, it can be done perhaps in around 55 or 60,000, but here being the hilly terrain area, so it will not be possible. So with this less contribution or the less benchmark cost which was given by the Government of India, by the ministry, this has not encouraged really or convinced the beneficiary to come forward for to avail or to benefit from this schemes which they have already introduced. But however, I think this is one of the very good schemes the Government of India has introduced through the Ministry of Power, the Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. And we hope we'll be able to cater to this, because this is one of the other options also now with people has to look at as far as the power thing is concerned.
The idea of having a solar power plant in Meghalaya, but all this while we have not seen even a single plant solar project. So any update on that, if the government is working on this
we had just initiated the discussion on this matter. I think this is very, very good point. In fact, I don't want to say too much on this because we are at the very, very initial stage to discuss on this. So you need lots of things to be taken into consideration, and we are trying to explore the possibility of this new idea also.
Kahanyaw terap National Youth Front HNYF Southern Border Area. Hagasib arjong katayo kalalit ujor haka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills halor kejengkit palat pot jengki trok kit kok hagasurok ranikor umpung balat mausen ram. Kabalalam sya kejeng senjor jong kejengki yang umpung kabala palat nrup hausnem. Batbu agajeng ma ya kinonglet nongwan. Kahanyaw terap National Youth Front HNYF Southern Border Area haka sauterik naiwiang arhajar arpusan. Kelawan ben ujor sya ke Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong RM Kurba. Halor kejengkit palat pot jengkit trok kit kok hakasurok ranikor umpung balat mausen ram. Habakran ni kilat patai kubor ubak kelang es thong ni uli thu bagi trok di penken ya kejing mana jogatnat PWD Roads Mountain Ram Division kaba mana bangkit palat ya ka kendai ton. Daga bapen pau bagi jingking umpung kabala palat rupo senam kelas sedang ban senjor ba kejingkit palat pot kebuk jeng mai gani kejingking. Uli thu bakani kejingking ke penyeso ke district East Khasi Hills ba ke Southwest Khasi Hills ba ke diutiet senam jeng jongshong hagathan kapot. Kumta ke HNYF keladawan naga Deputy Commissioner ban bono daka Weybridge kenang banlak bentek lakam ya ke jingkit palat puat.
Dengan kerpat ya ki nomi khmat bagi subha ban ya peilang ini. Kawai ro hakapor ba ke election ki lidar ki don ki bun ki lidar ki bami ki perta ba ka don ke isu ya ki surok. Hari anda lakut ka election bat don sure lidar we bawan mi ro. Ban yang khmat ban yarap yangi ban isu kata ka surok. Dengan kerpat ya kino ki nomi khmat ba subha ada longkat bala subha ya pechwa ya ka surok. Namar ka surok kadai ka butlum jongi. La ka ka surok ka bahayam ngingi mdon kamre kata develop jong ka government. Ka develop kan wan hi. Kan ya hi sistem la jong. Namar ka butlum kadai ka surok. Te ka weiro ang kerpat ki pechba ba subha ba to kato gajing yakhi nin ngiro kersan lang kum ka asion ya ka HNWF. Te mde tangi kersan. Re baro nadu Isnong gitau kiseng samla nadu kiseng balang ro kila kersan lang kata. Te ngakerpat ya ki pajba ro siubha namar mentang lawan kendu ya gi madam disi ba in sale kerngono namar majenjar ba ki kali sete iyat nang singi te kali kawan kependik yangi. Takadau milawan meni po i madam disi ti le keren kata te to kawe ro yung sale kata ro. Rito kata donbok ba sa seiso kata kabak ilaong imadam ro bat yapay lang
jimbha bha kamiat habri bat khamtam kaba jingkit palaput jong ni tro hanre habri bat ka jingsniu jong kasrok mental ada bun senam nakleng jongi ngilai budien yai budien bat kumbakalong ba nakleng jong ka nagliang jong bor jong pludi department kila aingi ga detail habri bar ngani surok ladon sibun ke ladon ki bun ki banta ke belapan kre andre ki jimpun kre kempat simpoi haga department amar kadang de di haga DPR mar ki don ka to ki banta khamtam ki jingking umpung baki habban pen kre bha namar ba kamdesu ke jingking ke ban kit ke kapasti ke batang handai ton de gelapun kre ya ka jingking ke baskam ke bala ban kit daki ko ton katkum kene ke juk namar ba ngismo tu ba ki kali mentah ki klan la upgrade ya ke bor jing kali te kum taru ya ke surok ba de ke jingking ke barang ti ni ha gidon kamar upgrade hakata ka juk ke ba ke baskam ke klan habri batkas surok ki ngalaban ong ba hoj ki jipun kre kenanya cechat henry ngimtip hadu lanu ke nuan kata skim ngila persang ban update ya ki nomik mat misambar update ya ki bor jong ka pludi henry kimla ba ai ya ke jubab ka pesai ba lanu kata skim lanu kata ka project kabaidei nadu na weloi hadu hangti po katpra rainkor kala bon urlong henry nakleng jungi nginom songthaj henry ngin budien nginyai budien bat kumalong menta bai ka jingsniu jong ka surok kala nang sniu la nang sniu kumanga ong sikman henry kamdei ban kut tang hangta henry nakleng jungi iha ban thau gilat kilenti nakamta ban pentikna baki pajba jungi kimdei ban sha kidei ban sofa kumbalong mantangan itu ipi habapang bestom habarnya indriunya kunta kata kedi kata kedi jing su pangmat hak jaga bakin poi ki jaga ke busmar andre kim simpoi por bubiang te kumbalong haki le kisni blada boro ki bon ki mensim boro ki haban khat sitang lenti tang nakadaw jong kani suro
ke jing dawa to sin na ko ka disi mentaka supan
Nakleng jungi gidawa ba kapan kongre ba kan hap bantel akam ya ka overload ya ka overloaded kebapalat ya ka kendaiton kata ke gidawa ke jungi
lagi ba ka jiking ki surok heti sapo sa ranikor heti sa umpung bamlong syu kalong talentiru kablong singgelin kabaret yang tadi kini kali ke he bakit yong kitrok kilakit kila penjulor kila don kiporu kitrok kani katrok laham bakit ko kila penblok kaliru bor sisi hang niru ngi ba riu pai bahi ki bolului ki besong hatu ki dong ki thai ki mar ki nge bala sakut bor sisi kedena takdau wilayah syong wilayah perkat alor kani ting wani bu sti sai isi tilong ru disi bakloi balai ong babiar here to serve you to look into this matters desa kaweru kolong kumi ba habang yakran bat kini ki association joki rock tilong ba toh ini kungu ya kata fi ong mapi ya kan kum da la prabidi saneng la don kita kinjukular tam handre tan stiu laya ja kumju laya min siru kajing hang kalir ko pupun namar kolong segelin kali berit bersempa sekaru ke pama idong kibri ke pasang sti kadong jungi gilalong kibri ke las irsha du kata namar ka jingking juga umpung deh katuru ka bami sania syu bolong kadong kadong poru kala ban khalam ke bolong kunu namar dapat benia bhai kini kali kitku kipket syu temenong ka limit kila exceed dia ka limit namar dapat ka komia namar kaju katu ke jingking ke bolong dui lolong ke bami sania syu ya senia adu sausan teli senia nang isania suhnu kena kalam ko tu ke par kidon ka we ka sensible rules ngidon sudah ki second option bangdinya jadi ka tu ke mentu kidinjar munu par kidinjar kitu bri jungi basa sti ka dong ka tanjung ni harlor kata ni wan mani pendui di si tadi si loong ba ka we break sungin ya bu tenang tadi kin bu swai ka findings ki findings atau kum ka ji tho sti jungi benda per bu sapo di si kan
Ka State Disaster Management Authority ke Jela rengkat ke jingit Trailang bat ka District Disaster Management Authority ke East Khasi Hills. Haga sing ba arjung katayo kila sam ya kitiar gitar ne ki Emergency Responder Kit lengba ka Yuva Abda Mitra Scheme haga jingalang ka balalong ha ususotham auditorium ha kanong ba Shillong. Ya kini kitiar Emergency Responder Kits. Lasam da State Disaster Management Authority rengkat bat ka District Disaster Management Authority ke East Khasi Hills. Lasam bat IT ke volunteer ke bala pendep ke jingkai pentebet halor ka disaster management da Menteri Sarkar berkhmiekatanat Revenue and Disaster Management ubalak menrumbui kumukongsan. Rengkat ke jingadon lang ka Commissioner bat Secretary ketanat Revenue and Disaster Management ikong Matsudor Warnong Bri ka Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills ikong Aram Korba bat kiwe-kiwe. Kiladon kumba saus pak lai pesangut kisamla ke beliau jinghikai ke belawani shim bentah gani ke program bat kilayo ke emergency responder kits ban ajing rap habadan kanu ke jingwan shop ki bor kamariang habakran ke jingalang uba lakmen rumboi ulai ro ke jing trishtam jang ke volunteer na ka Nehru Yuva Kendra ke NCC ke Bharat Scouts and Guides bat NSS halor ke jing trai met bat men CM jongki ban chakri ke imlang salang Ula banjur ke jengkong san banlong ke bela penkre bat banlong ke bakloi ban ajing erap ke por bawan lan shop ke bor kemariang. Berulong ba ke jing julor ning ke bor kemariang ke dai ke baja Henry ke don ru ke dai ke bela lehi di ke breo. Uba la ke ban romboi la penken mau ba ke ladan ke jing jap loading ha Shillong ha ke por budang bat ko menteri ke tenat korbari ke Jela. Berulong ba ke jing slam ke kali penlep ding ban poi ke jaka ban ke jing plo ke dai namar ke jing kem palat ke surok bat ke jing peniang pathar ke kali ke bala pentut ke kali penlep ding ban yat ban poi ke jaka ke baplo yem ula banjur ke jing don kam kerki bandan ke rukam penwandor ke babiang ha ke jaka sor bat bagi pat ba ke don ke jing ke kli kam tam ha ke ban penti kena begilat jing arab ke dai ban poi mardor ha ke por bami ke jing ja ke bakerki menteri ula kentui ke nong shong shnong kam tam ke samla bagi dai ban le da ke jingket kli a kapor badan kido ke jingja bat ha ke jaka bikin ring video na ban shna ki reels ke dai ban bentep mardor shaki bor bade kimi
what is the most thing which the young people even the old people do today the first thing is any accident happen or any disaster happen the first thing they do click a video, make a reel, and then call the district authority to respond. So let us change our mindset. Let us respond first and then do whatever we do in the next movement. Because if everybody, because as I used to say, all of us are reporters, all of us are the newsmaker or the news provider or the content creator. But if all of us, instead of responding, we are busy to make reel, to make video, what will happen? So, my dear young friend, this is not happening only to young people, even to old people also. The thing is that we should know that the first thing is that to respond. Respond, if we cannot respond by ourselves, we need to ask. If in the case of a fire, we have to ask the fire brigade. We have to ask the district authority or the solution authority, ask the case may be, so that whatever disaster which going to happen, we could mitigate as much as possible. So my dear friend, we are living in the world which we cannot live only us. We need the society as a whole. So only to join hands. That's why we need NCC, we need NSS, we need Nehru Kendra, we need Bharat Scout, we need Civil Defense and Hoka volunteers to do all this thing. And it's not very easy for the government to provide everything. We need the people who really understand the need of the human being.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3.
Kinong song kamadan reting kilap diang buram yu MLA MDC berem kanong kram constituency uba lambor malngyang. Halor kejingla ajung u ban penurlong ya kejing ang nuat jegipat ba ban penyo ya kebelah sispasni. Baru kata kesenong madan reting kahap agak gerit selong hapo kejing kami jang keselong municipal board. Dari kejing kun uba lambor malngyang kumu MLA hakatu kapor ulisim kia pada ekran badu menteri sarkar pedeng bakmi agat tenat penroy nong kendong ban mentala yo ekabelah sispasni naga skim MGNREGS. Yang kebelah sispasni hapo kesenong la sedang mentaka senam bat gamang pisana kebentakan kesenong kalong kumba prapusau lak tengka bat ginong senong kidadan igi job card bat kidan kumalai spa sabu prangut yai. Kani ke skim kelayarap ginong senong di bawah ni kilong gieng kebeduna kayok kokot bat kam tam penuan rak ki kam penroy hak senong badan reting. Uba lambor malngyang ulali jengok ki jaka ki bela pentrei kani kebelah sispasni haki blok baper jeng senong badan reting bat menta ki pat ba ki bamdan ki surok kilayo iki surok bat poi syaduk syalayen.
Kejing belah sispasni idap lagi jismu kejing kublai ya iba lambor malngyang EX MLA jungi ibala le shitam ban penyo ya kaniga jingbala sispasni na kabentar snong jungi idap ka jismu i imkenshu wala gadai haka kobet iya bech mat banele persya ya kata jing pang jing shitam tiang imre iya bech perang ka ban pendap ya kaniga kam ban penyo ini kani jingbala sispasni tinggi dap lu kecil semua orang mentah, bamangi sedang dan tray, bat ilayo iru yang kecil mentoy, nak bentar kesenong terang, kami lenti, akan kesenong jungi kan sapernai, kan salong kabakuai tiba suba, ban kabaku kabapian, mulai sibun nak bentar jung balam, di belale, sitam matpenyo ini kecil dua sisipati.
So tenat bedong hari kapor kipralok pahit. Bahadin jom kejingyo banwan banbu yung mga nurim matap terjekiman kebakraw ang kani kalapulong kaya kren haki platform jom ka politics bawa mga nurim banwan banbu nagbanda kasinang walarting yung mga nurim politics uban nung tingkam yung mga nurim upasyawan banbanbi Padba nagpunta pangadyo yung kapot. Hanray kabon niya nga ako yung smoking kita tintin. Ang kapor kan sa patay. Kapor kan sa koy. Pag-ipadba nung siyang jom siyang manariting kin sa tip langawan ra siya yumaw upalong takumaw yung politics panantoy mo na nenon ra yumaw upalong kajimintoy kisnong kajingim mi kilongyi kipapala hakanin isis pasing mong kapor dan sabutay pat kapor kabatay siya mentaw silam kapurlong patisaki mo bi kamdon kam bangan putro yung mga hanray ki kamu pa ki kan kamjam banyak din di jawa
UMLA Kemaulai constituency uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang haka sau tarik unai wiang hajar arpusan urelit banbu da kejing to ak office terekam menteri rang ba kejela ukonrat kongkal sangma bat menteri gatenat kakot kakya uba wailat mikishela ban ketui ke sarkar ban peladno ya kabaiwai ga yang bagi penankam kum ka dispensary ke belas ateng lasan senam mentah UMLA ulakado bagi dispensary Nehru Memorial State Dispensary Maulai kedai kebelah remtam hakisno Maulai hendri menta kelamat di kejing namar kejing mamsiu ke sarkar ke bayi yang mentalasan senam. Da kebakado ru butrai yang hamaulai nung luam ulai legal notice pan pak mino ya kinong trai na kene ke dispensary. Uba Bright Starwell Marbanyang ulakado bakani kamde kesian ke beningkong bagi dispensary kela Jumat di kejing namar nadu mensyuaru ke Jumat di kejuk kejing na kejing bambiang ha ke ban ai ke bayi. Unu MLA ula kentui ke sarkar ban pun khoj keloi no ke baiwai ke basa ateng bat bantai no dagi yang dispensary ke bala ke jong na ke bentai pat ba ha ka bau lokado ba kador bar snong molai nong luam kladap airu ik no objection certificate na ke benta bantai themai ya ke dispensary
pi kani kamdi ke benang themai skwa ban pensyai ni ba kani ke dispensary ke Nehru Memorial Dispensary ke benang ko molai kedai ke dispensary ke barim tam ko ke jena Aisyah yang ini gamat lara ruat apa yang dalam tawan keren, bah kalau penting kalau semua tamulan menong bah ke dispensary kalau rentam apa kerja dari hadu mentangnya, kini dispensary kita syong waisa. Te nalo kata apa? Kini dispensary mencuba dan apa mulai penting. Serta kat nado pengirang kena mengi kenal, kedan dia apa mulai penting. Dan dari hadian mulai penting isya pak mi marba keju. Kata kaporu try barim ko mulai mafreng kim sino yo baiwai hadu ki haban ha mi jadi hostem arpo ba lingba ke jing tristom jongki nongkit kam snong jongki napo nongrom khamtam kum juru napo nongpreng mot siar ba sai gre acik snong ki ba marjan tigala la penyo e ko ka yi ka ba piang ma ka ba hadu mtar ka function ba tri ke jik ku om tam ya ka mulai nongrom tri ki snong ki marjan baru apo mulai de antara apa yang turu nadu senam arpo nak lang bakla di bulan August. Te keladon ke agreement bak sarkar kan siu malu benai ka baiwai dari kumju biang kumbalong nang pedeng. Bagi yo try tang kumba ka tu dia benai dari hadu mentah pada dia tu bacan sam senam kamyo ka baiwai. Te kini try him leno la ai ka jingfo la wan ni pendu Tina kalian kesana hati syaru ada mengkor, mau yung komisioner sekretari itu dari hadu mentah karang sasa. Kata kali kebangan one hang yung board, makalong very urgent. Ya perkat yang upay ba hari juga kau kiat kan. Mau pergi ke dispensary keluar rentam po kecela. Songwai. Dan dari kedon kejagaan antara pergi kemau untuk por mengini inspection bagi health infrastructure po kemulai por bi kong amperin. Ngilai lain, jadi itu ngilai keren. Makaron kau ke cakap apa mulai nongkrong kaba layak keren. Bak kalian jom senang rupa depan ai ke Indonesia. Ba kamu don cik percaya ibu yang berlayak senang menai tak ilikot cakap pencenai cakap dispensary. Henry kepalingo aduh mentah kata ru kampur lo. Haji Syah nak kalian jadi kong amperin atau for immediately march ndap ke inspection. Yang kedua hadir katu nepor hadir sedang session aku assembly siapa itu lu ingai yang pak ketua kelayan sekarang dan dari mentala ketua kini benai dari katkum jujung tip kejungi kampat ini ya nasional ketika concern kepada pak semua chief minister haringkat ruben petip yau health minister bah namta ni hapan prioritas mereka kot kaya kalau beberapa kampung kata kamu pun bernilai kai kamtam marley kini dispensary PEC dan KCC dan namta penpet ya kok kaya nong song kamtam gitu bawaan nak lu yang kapa duna kata dia concern juga marley ipet je pasokan nai kedon ka plut ki pisah sidi ki ba mo pilasi ki ba kum ki festival ki babun ki babun ki bentang dari perhatian ban siu pat i baiwai jong dispensary san snem du kimla na clear ya ka juice tem dei tangata dari kejaka kedon ban snai dispensary tu ke government tam tang khdian ban snai dispensary tu hadu mentang sa teng kam de ka ba mentang mo ni ka habi ba ka issue jong dispensary kan dari la kat mau post nem so ni layan nak kalian ke jonga immediately hi house nem airport lain alarah tin issue la ka long hayin darbar thawan bangai ra hina ka post ko poru pa adu mentang press government bala ka government dari ke government syaga basufu ke action ko ba ka tam ide ba ka ko kia ba ka serious habi ba ka bentang
ke School St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang haga District Southwest Khasi Hills kabade gawai ni school kabala Rembha haga than Rangblang bat kini ke school kala pun kutno ek jing rakhia dap san posnem ne ka Jubilee Ksiar da ke jing ipo ipeng ke St. Mary's Higher Secondary School Rangblang kabade gawai ni school kabala Rembha haga than Rangblang haga District Southwest Khasi Hills rengkat gejing ipu ipiang haga laipui terik urisau arajar arpusan kalapun kutno gejing rakhia dap san posnem ya kabla rakhia barach senam lenter bare haga bala plia perda ha ubnai risau jong ka senam kabla let ka senam arajar arpusau ya gede skol laseng aduk senam syajar kendai spa arpunyo ban mensyua kadang dai tang hak kekerdan lower primary hak senam syajar kendai spa andropo lekente wakash kekerdan ME bare senam syajar kendai spa nyopusan Akapor Father George Vani Ubadairu Parish Priest Jong ke Parish Pendengrai Nongstoy Kabuli I kejing ia jing kena skol kamtam kilong yang kebadok lakan tiu kerdan no ya ke ME syak kerdan secondary kabul kenjok mentah syak jing tap san posnan hagani kesni penkot ya ke jingra ke Jubilee Ksiar laidon lang uba Methodius Dakar Menteri Bidikmi akat penat Labour Employment but Skill and Food and Civil Supplies but Consumer Affairs ke Sarkar Jela Kumukongsan uba Gabriel Walang MLA Penongstoy Constituency Kumukongsan rengkat ke jingran lang uba Renikton Lengdok Tongkar MLA Kumaukerwat uba Karnes Sosyang MDC Berem Father Edmund Lakra Principal Jong St. Mary's High Secondary School Father John Zoziama Salesian Provincial Jong Shillong Province Sister Kinohikai Ki Officer Kina School but Kiwe Hagan kesini la penipu ipiang bat pensyong shed ikanik program da kijing syat kijing le aka mas drill kijing syat jing rawai tenrai kiwe kijing penmernya ke bala pensyong biat ke balawan petkai
Chief Minister kadang-kadang kejing suku kalau bakadon kejing ekran nak school berkiladon waktu balik memorandum bana kalian ke school berkila ai Chief Minister nak kalian berjumpa sokongan sini school melayu penekran sekat Chief Minister dia berdiri ke office Chief Minister kalau kita bentar pada school tidak mau memorandum bana kalian ke office Chief Minister tak penting baik di memorandum berkila kira Pak Support Education Department but minum perlah barang kumno tolong dari nilan kecing kerman dari sisi kecing Pak memorandum dijongki berkilakan di kerman scam bakin senang kurang but dalam ia juga melihat bakin dia Jadi semua menyebut air di skim, nampak ni ke school ke jompi, desi nampak di memorandum of Pilago, rengkat berkemele, rengkat bermanaging committee nange, rengkat XMDC belanok senyang subun nampak ni ke school, bapinang ya buden, baningiskan ba ngin salah betul ulangi di gijing angun, jom ni ke school ke jompi. Bana kalian bicara roka Pilat bersungau, ya kita gijing non kam. Nganang persang menyebut dilam ladai MLA joki indomnya. Ladai isya dengan sebut dilam ladai ikong menyebut ikong pengampat yo ai babun di berkata aku ulang tetapi yang kuat deh kita nak sebut. Jadi saya ingin persang dari Kristen. Kedai itu bang asal bang ngepi, kedua bang apa bang ngepi. Kita ini cing anggur di joki. Ngitip pengajian kecing anu coba di sekolah, mana kentil je sek kedan dokter, namda kecing biang joki noikai, namda kecing biang joki pnikpa, namda kecing biang joki kun diksiu di jongi, kibamenta apa kibanang sawan. Kadang kecing anu coba di sekolah, pada bakaran kecing anu coba di sekolah, kadang kecing terdan bukulai, udah rekan, batu kerpu kuda yang di kecing anu. Bagi kecil semua di bawah juga di sekolah. Masalah kubur yang juga orang parar mana bahan ni iman boleh mulai kerpang yang dari jaga boleh berapa puluh kerpang yang akan dia kecompi pada Indonesia yang akan ke sekolah. Berkoi betul betul apa kerpang ini pada managing committee yang akan ke sekolah. Nak kalian macam apa kalau department kita akan ke skill development. Koi department kita Nipet yang ban jarak ni kena ban jil di line prepare atau berjumpa joki berkunjung lo kita kerja scholarship kebangi air bahagian kini ke department kejungi ke department berkuai itu dijing mentori nam terjun diplik pa badan di school ikun ke balik school kerana kejung mentori kerja scholarship di kena school para baju kapor badan kejung yaran nam terjun diplik pa. Tiga kali antara hak department dari Utunan, jaga skill department dari Kedepor department, pertemuan yang baik awareness program kami yang buat sekolah joki, rengkat bekerja kerja bagi MLA dan juga aku lokal MLA berkunjung di bakal sosial, berkunjung bagi penuh program berjalan successful, kepada kinomir bagaimana management di program, nama kita satu Nanta di lain prepare dan jemput joki bertunjuk di kecil mentori kecilan di bangla ai lembaga di department kabangan awak mata kalau department bana fokus skill di department.
On the flag, I do hereby declare that the Golden Jubilee celebration of St. Mary's Higher Secondary School come to the close.
Kasyat nongkrem kepada kasyat tenrai khasi naduk kipor kulong kuma. Kalau kut nak kesithok diang juga tayo, dah kejeng ipo ipiang ha kepada kispa angut kipat ba, kilawan bansaki ya kena kasyat jong kehima khairem kabala penlong ha yeng sat hasmit. Hagani kesngi ya kasyat layalam na kakun siem hakabala senran lang ya ka digitay sot tinala bakirang kansai nakalang kahima khairim kibalemi benyo kejat kelempung syat rengkat kakor kakriam kijingdeng bakordor ban penish ke pertai bayar sasisen biang ya niam kerukom tenrai kun khasi bat kumju ke riti kedostor ke bagi departemen kejat menriau kelabo janai ngaduk pulang kuma Isamla senrang kilabat alagi kiti ya kawat lam batu sempia daga bapelajing mod bat syashkor bat syat kat kum kejung sawa pami kiksing bat kitang muri Kasat nongkrem bat ke Pomblang ke desi benta na kejing laniam ki kun ki hajar jung Hima Khairim ban aingo egali sinsyar na ke benta ke bah kamiat jung kun hajar habarok ki liang ha kejing imjoki la kalong ha garap karyang kayo kokot ke syong sup syong san ka puli puthi bat kiwei Agni kesini sembut Menteri Rangba Akajela ba Preston Tunsong kanong ai but jung sarkar jela i Dr. Amprin Lengdo UMLA kanong krem uba Ardan Basayomaj inong jungo okai nekeleng di jela ba nabari lawan mansaki kene kesat penrai ba paunam ke jela Hadin bala pendap ke jing syahat la penbuat pada keporjan miet ya ke jing penyablang ne ke Pomblang ha ke bagi pat di sepangut kila ker saudong ya kamadan mansaki ne kelaniam le rukom mukasi no di por ki bamshwa pada kene ke jing Pomblang le donlang di menteri di lengdo ki bakrau batri jung Hima Khairim ki beleshim bata syadham ban pendap ya kene kelaniam le rukom
This year has been an improvement on last year's performance. Once again, the same festival, Thanksgiving festival, God Almighty, to bless us abundantly. The people of Hima Khairim especially, in their lives, in the struggle for a better livelihood, whether it is in the private sector, whether it is in the agriculture, whether it is farming, and for any other things that they aim to improve their lives in any direction. We sought and we are seeking His blessing always, all the time. Through our endeavor to continue with the past, music and dance that we have inherited from our ancestors, with all the religious obligations that we have to perform, seeking His help to solve our problems and to upgrade our lives in the future. So we have seen that this year has been a good year for us, and the day also the weather seems to agree with us. Today, in the last few days, there has been raining, showers and all that, and with the threat of a cyclonic storm in the Bay of Bengal. Fortunately for us, that has not dampened our spirit, and today is a cosmic day where you can see that the day has been a bright day for us. The sun has come out abundantly to bless us, and we are happy that the performers are there for all to see in good numbers, filling up this dancing field, and we are happy to say that we wish and hope that the people will benefit from our endeavor in our lives, so that Hima Khairim will continue as the bastion of Khasi glory in culture and heritage.
Nongkrem dance, where we call it, and the Hima Khairim, I think one of the biggest Hima, you say, they do conducting the the customary practices every year, and again today is the last day, and being the last day, I think we have seen it, I've experienced it. I used to attend almost every annual event that we have, and I'm so thankful to the same of Hima Khairim. And also I would like to say that because even myself and my constituency is part of this Hima Khairim, so I'm so proud seeing the turnout of the people during this festival, annual festival, and I'm very sure with this festival that we are having every year, it will bring more blessings to the entire Hima as well as to the state of. I think this, see, if you talk about the Cherry Blossom Festival, it's totally different from this festival. This is a customary laws, I should say. It's also a spiritual festival, I should say. Whereas if you talk about the Cherry Blossom Festival that we have, where the government also is part of it, it's totally different. This is, to make sure that the exposures of our talents that we have in the state of Kerala, different singers we have, different talented young boys and young girls. So that is already, I think that is totally different, I should say, from the festival that we are having like that. And now I'm telling you, we are fully part of the spiritual festival that we are having, be it Wangkala dance, be it Nongkrem dance, be it Sengkhasi dance. We are part of it, and be it what we call it, be it from Joy, that Beding Club. So government used to give some kind of assistance annually to these traditional bodies, so that they can preserve, they can further strengthen the the events that we have every year. In fact, we would again request all the district council, because we have 3 district council here in our state, Jaintia, Khasi and Garo. We impress upon the district council to encourage people to make sure that the customary laws and customary practices is at any point of time prevails in the state of Kerala.
Kamday kabasok hakani kajuk ya kilong ying bakinlong kita kinong kanti jong kani karyam kabet kalong shisha karyam kabet kabapen pair ya kilong ying hakani ka district kabahe kajongi kabayar kajongi bat hakani ka sngi nga ai kublay kabakerpang ningkong shwa ya ipaim ya imeim Wat ya is kena kiban pendep ya kene ke rukom ke dustur ke jongi ngidon kam ban pet ya kene ke dustur ke jongi on hiar pateng nang ne syakman kata kadai ke challenge ke bahe bat ke snow ba kum hakani ke sngi kisim kin duai nak kabenta kikun benriu satlak kapungkay pat ya kajalahi berokaway kani kadai kabangasngo kabakap karpang hakaba isim kim duay nam tayaladi ki ay jengkerku ya ki kon ki hajan kani kadai ka tradition kabapen pair yangi ki khasi nagiway pat ki jat benriu pat benriu ki badang don ya kita kisim ki patsha badang don kum kani ke yengsan bat kita khot paro na documentary kibi. Oi. Halo. Oh, benar dong. Muat pun. Jo.
Haswa bangin betengi ke kubor ke berangsa ingin apa haswa sipor syakini kijing penbenah.
Jones, going back to Jones.
The CM Solar Mission is a flagship initiative by the Government of Meghalaya, implemented by the Meghalaya New and Renewable Energy Development Agency (MNREDA). Its goal is to make the state energy resilient and environmentally sustainable. The mission offers a variety of solar systems to meet different needs. CM Solar Mission is a program designed to be affordable and accessible. Small households only need to contribute 10% of the cost. The state government covers the rest, providing a 50-90% subsidy, with the remaining amount for larger systems covered by simple bank loans. To apply for the CM Solar Mission scheme, you can consult with MNREDA and submit your application through the district administration, or contact your nearest block development officer, BDO.
Haswa bing ne beteng gi kubor ke bedangsa ngin penken mau gimat bokongsan jongko kubor menta ketayo. Rai kino ngelam kathan stelam mingi bantau ya One North East. Ya ke dorbar senrai ke senam arhajar arpun rio on sepenlongno abiang dorbar tauan ke batamai. Kejing keno badan kejing syurut apa keseng NPP ke datang ke kubor lamler ong ubak presiden tensong. Syakam presiden ke MCTODA bat kiwaya kejing ya kerja bagi kulit amorun keneng. Penki wen kapla ba eno ki breu honong po hap hiar ka kenhon bomb squad ban pet ngor bat lap de gijan. Kut no ka shat nong krem ka jing ipu ipeng. Bat la thang yo pa em Freeman Sings em ka hima sora ka don biang ka jing laniam thang em hadien khandai phundai snam. Shisngi shwa ban rakhe kan mau buram ya ka lengkho sngi kha ka ba sanspa san puhun riau jong Guru Nanak. Haksiba arjungatayo kirunget sik kila penlong ya kan nagar kirtan negejingat procession niam hakabaki ni kirunget naru kibaret hadu kibalahe kriyat hakeleng kijaka jong kanong ba shalong. Kani kejingyat procession gembang shisni syaban rakhe kan mamburam ya gelengkho singkha jong Guru Nanak. Asdang na ka Gurudwara Guru Nanak darbar yaumulong baglaya chikandailat bat ikut pat ha Gurudwara kebadan hajan ke St Anthony's College Shillong. Ki reungat kileshim bentah ke benrawai kejing rwai niam bat perta ki kintin niam hasurok. Bagla dror kejing dro hasurok ne kejing le rangoli kat baki dangyat benecha Gurudwara. Agen kejingat procession layalam di ginang lam niam sik ya kabalawan benishib benta nadu ke bedang red adu ke balahe kerta menakaliang menteri ke Sarkar Jela ubasan bor Shulairu ulalit benishim bentalang agen kejingat procession kiriunget sik. Nalor kani keladon ru kejingsa megi jingdi kum ka bat so rengkat berkiso iki bayat procession bat kum joru iki patba ke bejangkai ban saki ya kani kejingat procession.
जितने भी सिख कम्युनिटी है गुरु नानक देव जी के प्रकाश पुरब पर सब इकट्ठे होते हैं और हम यही चाहते हैं कि सब जितने भी धर्म है सब इकट्ठे होकर चलें और गुरु नानक देव जी के जो प्रिंसिपल्स है उनको अपनाएं.
Daki hajar ngot ki patba hakasi balang jogatayo hapdeng kejing slap bat kejing dom ulo. Klemi bandet on thang don buram usiem kahima sora upaiem Freeman Sings iem. Bakani kejing thang usiem sora kadai kabagi patba bat ki he ki han kilayo ban saki hadian kendai pukendai snem. Namar kasian kabak kadwe kabla thang usiem sora kadai hakasnem shi hajar kendai spa arpun rio. Kadang kejeng dom ke beneng bak kejeng jauh selap ke himas ora kelayok mensaki ya kejeng laniam tangs iem himas ora kebala pendap ah kesantrik unai wiang arhajar arpusan. Balayok mensaki dikikun ke hajar ke himas ora rengkat kejeng dan lang us iem ke himas ora kibakrau betri us iem ke hima meliam uleng dok ke hima khairem UMLA MDC bat kibai-kibai. Upayam Freeman sings iem ubla sensyar ke himas ora nadu kesenam syajar kendai spa prapuai ula klakno akalai puai trik urisau arhajar arpusan. Dehedin kejeng klakno jung payam Freeman baka himas ora kalayo men penlong biang ya kejeng laniam tangs iem hakesan trik unai biang hadian kendai pu kendai senam. Badia ka bakat doa la penlong hakesan syajar kendai spa arpu hendriu. Halo kejeng penkrea ya kejeng laniam tangs iem usai ketui ke himas ora ule tu Bagdor bar hima kahap bancong perkat banjid usiem bapura ban pendap ekejing thang. Kumta gila menjur yo marem dor siem usiem kena banong usiem bapura jong ke himas ora. Uli thu baik ni kejing la nyam la banlong tang lada usiem bapura basong ha ket jok hima udan. Da ke bagdo ba kejing la nyam thang siem ka bakat do e klalong ha sem cajar kendai spa arpun rio yo pa iem roba sing siem. Bala pendap do pa iem joy manek usiem bapura ke himas ora. Kisiem ke himas ora ki balayo bantang kot kum keriti dustur ki kentup yau subha sing siem yo bala thang hak sem syajar pras pasan punyo uram sing siem yo bala thang hak sem syajar kendai spa pra uroba sing siem yo bala thang hak sem syajar kendai spa arpun rio bat mentapat sayo pa iem Freeman sing siem yo bala thang hak santrik unai wieng arhajar arpusan.
Kabaron cepat kelima surah para kue para di kenu sisa di semta batiru dengan kue kasur kebara menpen siam yau marang doa siam mani bunyi hanya ka jonius siam lagi namun long bebek mantangi kami ya jong siam priman siam usiam lagi bat komda kebaron pernah kue kasur lagi dia ubat mentau ni usiam kena bertelong menim jeli hanya ka jom perman sing ulan long ban aiding ta kasih bantang ya kami usiam kadai ke janjian ko pelatan ke kam patu dia menamna history masukah bau usiam uyak gelai huai terik lai terik ayo usiam hagi usiam mencuang ngi Usim ram sing ya usim khat prospan ya plan kadang kaji kini sim kadang kaji kini sim menikni kaket umna mentang usim layak negara bab habawan menikili wan hajan menik umum long bit mentang ram sing komda kameyak usim ram sing kasasa hako jinta dan hado menawan robas sing Haus nam khat ndai spawe umi bujeli ya kajaka hujan manik laksana namar mana choi phi hujan manik kadon na hujan kastori namar hujan manik udai na ka ko jung sim mosmai kan bau ram sing roba sing idai na ko jung sim so habla yo aru jung sim na ka jo ka ko sim trua sing lapan kre bantang no ya basa Jom kami dia usiam ram sing kelasa live place nam. Bakswa bundo matang kat darbar hima berkoi kapan skam siam shuayu. Bundo mabit pantang. Pen skam siam shuayu hagasan lek ubenai dosen kat nice papa. Baratang house hagap reu trek ubenai dosen kat. Nak kata daw katong gredi dostol lima sora kalong Haba yap siam nam kaman yo siam, but langkol na nga matot niya ikinang himasara lesi. Kamsya ka po nga. Dengan situ nampak stangway bertahun dari usia merupasi. Ubalaya usnam kapna ispak kapna. John ini ulang sim, ban champion kelong sim, ban dena pengkrep kurang kecempur prosna. Ban thang usim John ini haga puknai kurek ubenai belai kapna ispak. Ban kata kadang kasih kabak kado, kabak bye masura kasati. Yang kasih apa masura, ban mentah. Kalaban ng tulagan ini. Bangin sa kaya ni kasi wakra. Kapag kapag tayo na shito, marang pagjudan hagan ulo kari. Kapag inalet, man pendon burom yung angsim hadu kata. Surok wan sim ma alam ma umta. Dali utos ka mo blok siya ni kitsa sora. Mengipay siya kebenar hagday pagriti ke dosto. Kasora mata kasih kapay yang siya kebenar. Wat nagaliang jo kabarang ro. Kari jo slap, kari jo kilo. Paro kibuan ni kasih kisaki ya kadur ko sisa jo kari sora. Nagaliang jo state committee ngajak ni kapor. Magpapa bagi solam. Nagamta kahima sora hibor ko way bakum juru. Namta kigi kasam Jogi Payem Freeman Singsiye. Mencisi yang penguat ketika ia kepada operational. Nagadang jogi isi kelap haingan yang kedua ia ikut Jogi Payem ikut yang kipersa berkunjuru yang kiramba yang kehima seorang. Kabarang kesyai itenat dari bentar kesi kalong kumdi. Bakali kedai sisa katur jom kehima seorang. Syurga mismo benur mengenduk no yang usia bubukrau. Operasi syar yang kiat kehima. Apa yang dibubur di sini? Apa yang dibubur di Pekang? Rawat penyakit yang lima lapalat sebut di Islam. Berkumpul setiap gambar juga hasil Settlement District Council. Apa bau bagi sokme benai burung. Iki bakrau bagi menteri juga lima seorang bagi kedorban juga lima seorang. Dan apa yang tidak sini? Kelak beliau uskim, ubat temai uskim, ubat kurang. Hamdan kalau kejinguan. Ngakhalang hanya kapor ya baru hima kebetulan buat kering kebagi kejomi. Pembimbing dia ke luksa juga hima seorang. Hakawaji jauh siya bukmin. Hamdan kalau uji kiri. Ay baka hima seorang lo kerjang din senu, kerjang din syusyadin. Kemudian hati Islam keberadaan. Hakabadan kerja kiri siya kemudian orang dari sekretari juga hima iba bidirma. Nagalang ini kat komiti dekat district council, bakal council hibur kawai. Iba bagi hima ke jongi, kinyai baik, kinbun baik yang garanti ke dostor. Barana baru ke hima, ilaga, kilendok siap ke barana kibut baik kirbun nanti, yang garanti dostor kat komu menbarim. Dinyui yang kejingadai kebajan apalagi dekat district council bagi yang hima.
Lasdang ya gejeng le anyam tang siem na gejeng kemi usiem Bat hayeng ke siem nyam siem saat beri ke persau siem. Keba penelong ya ke kenya ke kriam nadu ke sengibu siem uklat. Hadin kani kis IT ya kaleng kason sya kedor barhima bala penelong ya ke jengle buram khatdo hamadan ke senong mereka pon. Hadin ke jengle buram ke hima ya kaleng kason. Ra sya kepep siem ke badan hapom somen. Bat halenti ke jubret pisa bara ya kaleng kason. Kum kadak jong kejeng kerku ba kejeng ai sengo bha sya bala klat no. Malara ekaleng kason daki senong boper ekalenti syaka kepep bat kiju siat dek sulai kum kadak jong kejeng buram. Haka kepep karaj mau syut kat arsenong ka pendep syuai ka nguk kadam bat hadin ketau siem bapura usyemti ban aiding ya kamet usiem. Kado e ke jubret do kuai tempo haka jaka thang kum kejeng ai kublai kado yo bala klak no. Kajing laniam ka pen KM biang ya kariti dustur namar hagi snem ke belalet kata nadu ke snem syajar kandai spa pun rio shim lala ban pendep ke jing laniam thang siem haka bau siem hakiti ke por kidan ke bala klano skaniam kristan ni dan usiem pura. Te parlok dak tu ngila poi syukur bekut jumpa tu kubor jengi mentah kejan miat. Yang saya syambiang buat pilih syam tayo kejuka sengi. Pat haga jumpa por. Kublai shibon ke por jong pi. Pat tiasa.